2025 was honestly not a good year for me. There was a lot going on that really damaged my mental health from school to family. And when I was younger, I always made vision boards, but I never actually took the time to try and make them come true. It was kind of always just something that I did, and it was kind of routine, and it was something cute to do with my family. And to be honest, back then I always thought I was too young to even try and change anything, which was half true, half not, but that's how I felt in the end. And now that I'm older, I feel like I need to actually lock in, which so far has been going great, honestly. Like, I feel like I've been more consistent in the first week of 2026 than the entire year of 2025, and even before then. I've been journaling, keeping up with my skincare, and my room has been clean for a whole week, which has never happened before. Like a whole week straight is pretty good for me. And for me, journaling was really getting hard to stay consistent on because I was kind of making it more of a chore, and I thought that it had to be like me writing out my feelings every single day, kind of like a diary, which is true, like for the most part, kind of for some journals. But when my feelings weren't changing, it was just kind of getting repetitive, and honestly, it felt like such a chore. Like, ugh, I have to journal tonight, and it was just I would end up falling off, and I'd never write in my journal again. But when I started doing stickers and junk journaling, because I am a very sentimental person and I have a hard time throwing things away, I'm finding it more enjoyable, and it's becoming easier to do, and I'm having so much fun with it. I'm super excited to start this journey, and I hope you guys stick around along this journey with me. So, here's to a new year, better me.